Hey, how you guys doing? Thank you for checking out my page. My name is Corey Norris. This is going to be a quick update about My Lead Gen Secret. Is a bulk mailing list that you're able to mail to 100 to 200 leads a day. Any opportunity that's home-based business or offers through that Warriors Plus, Digistore 24, and other digital product clickbang platforms. You can mail those digital products, your own product, and home-based business opportunities to these leads. And I want to do a quick update on how these leads are performing. They are U.S. top tier, #1 base U.S. leads, so these are highly receptive leads to your opportunity. Unlock the secret to pocketing thousands. Emailing 100, 200 leads a day. Proven 5-figure a month formula. You'll enter your field here to get access over to My Lead Gen Secret. I do have the description for My Lead Gen Secret. Down at the bottom in the description is the link. Go ahead, if you want to get started with after this video, go ahead, click the link. And I have my Facebook page also in the link. Contact with me through Messenger. I want to talk with you. I love talking with people and opening them to different possibilities and opportunities. And again, I want to jump right into it. I want to keep this video rolling and keep it nice and short. So yesterday I mailed out 9/02/2023. Today is 9/03/2023. Mailed out this title here. Copy our system and earn directly pay, receiving 100% income. So when I mail this out, I'll show you inside the email, not a stranger. Just a real quick, to the point email, no long email, giving a 150-word story. I had someone reach out to me. Jump over into my Gmail here. Sometime while it loads up. So I had Amanda Webb, copy our style and earn direct pay, receiving 100% commissions. We'll jump back over and you'll see copy our system and earn direct commissions. So Miss Amanda reached out to me. She says, "Hi, got your message through my Hotmail about earning $600 to $1,500 per month, and I would like to receive more information about 6-figure blueprint and anything else that will help me get started with this. Thank you, friend Amanda." So Amanda, I did make a reply video to you going over the branded website that you get with Infinity Processing System, so that way you can learn the $300 per day method with the blueprint system. And I also added some extra bonuses within that email. So I hope it finds you in time. If not, I will be getting in contact with her to do a follow-up email sequence with her, so that way we can get her going with the blueprint system. So if you want leads, you want eyeballs on your opportunity that's highly receptible. I truly enjoy using the My Lead Gen Secret. It's been a game changer for me in my business, and it's been a game changer for a lot of other people's. I do have other videos on My Lead Gen Secret inside of my channel. You want to check out my channel, hit my little face button down there. Go over to the channel and check out the other videos that I have on My Lead Gen Secret, showing you that other people are also gaining massive results with My Lead Gen Secret. Income clearing disclosure is not how you say, this is it's up to you how you send your emails out and how good your email marketing is. But with the Infinity processing system, they do have a training video on how to send emails, and they do have the pre-written ads and that you could place. I'm going to also add that link in the description. I have an action taker bonus when you go over and you click that link to get started with the Infinity processing system. Also going to have the My Lead Gen Secret link in the bottom. If you want to get started, you're going to come here to this capture page, put your information in the field. It's going to lead you here to a 5 to 6 minute video. Watch the video. It's going to explain to you everything you need to know about My Lead Gen Secret and how to get started with this wonderful bulk mailer. And that's my time. I want to keep it short and sweet for you guys. Go ahead, click the link in the description, get started. Reach out to me on Facebook. Let me know if you have any questions, anything I can help you with. I'm here to help. I love connecting with people, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.